Yo.
The car's completely fucking dead.
Hopefully I'm plugged in. Hopefully I'm all set. No. Oh no, it works. It works. It'll work. Oh, it's a pivot.
Is it?
I think.
Or I think it just snapped it. Not that I care.
Oh no. Oh no.
Yeah, dude, it's cooked.
Oh no.
Yeah, dude, it's cooked.
Oh no.
Yeah,
Are
dude.
you serious?
Yeah, dude, we got single channel. All right, we're gonna have to revert to the. Oh, you weren't recording at all.
I had no, it was going. You gave it to me and it was going, wasn't it?
No. Now it's recording. Close to it because.
Yeah, it needs to be like right here. Just so you could view like the car and doing the actual panel. Oh, haha, I'm recording. Stupid fucking idiot.
Some of us may buy cars to attract women. This is what I call the super syndrome. You get a really nice car. Nick, this is your car, right?
Yes, it is.
How many women, and she doesn't count, how many women is your car currently pulling in?
0.
Zero.
Big old 0.
Big old 0. Hey, how many dudes?
What's that? 7?
That's
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7.
7 sausages there.
7 sausages. Man, that's an L right there.
Your gender?
Oh, it is 2020. I'm sorry, guys. I've just been demonetized on YouTube. Oh, look at the guy with the Amazon wing for 3. All right. Oh yeah. Oh, it wasn't too bad actually. You can see it. It wasn't as dark as I thought. That's what she said. Good friend Dan Soria here. You know, it is fall season. Fairs are open. Who wants some Gapple Crisp?
Brother's sleeping. Oh.
See, it has a roof, and everybody worries that you have to duck your head, but it won't hit your head, I promise. I would duck. There you go. So, all right, we're good.
Yeah, this traffic is pretty brutal.
Dude, this traffic is trash, dude. That's why we shouldn't have delayed, but you had school pictures to do. Gotta look good for all the ladies.
What can you do? What can you do?
You don't even need to look good. Just get yourself one of these like me. I'm ugly as hell, but you got a Cobra. It helps out.
It would help. It would help.
All right, guys. So, got some news here, actually. So, I tried to connect to the Draggy, and it says Draggy not found. So, I think you can know what that means. It fell off. So maybe having it outside of the vehicle is not the right idea. Yeah, see, no Draggy found. I doubt it's back there. It's probably long gone, and it is what it is, but I'll go look. Or you can just get in the road just as I'm coming.
Hopefully he saw the cop there.
Too many cops.
Get the titties.
I just did.
We like those.
Yeah. So the lady that just walked by my car apparently looked at it. She goes, "Oh, this looks super cute." That's a loss. That's a loss right there.
Kevin, stop! Please. That was stupid.
No.
What do you think this is, Paragon Park?
What's Paragon Park?
Oh, obviously you've been here
That
before.
wasn't me either.
Oh no, Kevin! I'm not looking. No wonder you want me to wear my fucking seatbelt. God, what's the matter with you? Okay, I see.
And then you have an AMG, and you've
Well,
been. Yes.
okay.
Yes.
After kids.
I don't want kids. I have dogs.
Yeah, I know.
That's why I have money, because I don't have kids. They seem like a lot of work.
Well, they're worth it though.
Well, I still love you.
Yeah, I know. Just don't kill.
Oh, hey Kevin, why aren't you shooting any Cobra videos? Why are you shooting a snowblower video? Oh wait. It's barely December, but